Hey there, I am out taking Bootsy for a walk, and I thought I'd use this opportunity to talk about our new course, AI and Design Systems. Just want to talk about why we're creating this course and what we're excited about and how we're thinking about things and how we're thinking about structuring this course. So this is a very interesting moment in time where everybody is under a lot of pressure to figure out how AI fits into a digital organization, right? People who are creating, designing, building, and shipping and maintaining software at an organization. There's a lot of noise. There's a lot to this brand new paradigm, to this new technology. There's a lot of good. There's a lot of bad. There's a lot of ugly. And because it is in this very hypey place, it's very difficult to have solid ground to stand on. And that's why we're creating this course, is to really try to give people solid ground to stand on as we collectively navigate this moment in time. Unlike our other courses and other courses in general, where it's like, here's some tried and true techniques that we've seen work a bunch of times. This stuff is all being born right now in the present moment, right? New technologies, tools, tactics, techniques, case studies, et cetera, are coming out all the time. So we're approaching this course a lot differently. And we're really diving into learning as a community. How are we going to use this new technology in our work? What's working well? What isn't working well? Have you seen these new things? It's really going to be a group effort. And along the way, we're really here to help provide some foundational knowledge, some core concepts, as well as some practical and hands-on advice and examples of how to start integrating AI into your design system workflow, both to create design systems as well as to apply design systems using AI to increase adoption and all that good stuff. We've been at this for a couple years, but again, this stuff just keeps coming out. So we're hoping to really just serve as a clear-eyed and grounded guide through this present moment, not to sell you on anything or say this is bad without addressing the real opportunities that are there, or without saying this is amazing without addressing a lot of the shortcomings and the real macro level issues around AI usage. So that's how we're thinking about this. We are real believers in humanity and real believers in empowering human beings to use technology to make things that help people. Here are these new tools, and here's how we human beings can use those tools. We're going to address a lot of the very real hyperbolic language that's out there, in addition to getting into the weeds and showing how this stuff all works, to demystify it so that people are able to apply this to their job, to get out of anxiety territory and into empowered territory. Again, these things are tools, and we want to help people understand the tools. We want to understand the concepts behind the tools, and we want to help people learn how to use these things and actually apply them to the real world, day-to-day workflow. So that's what we're doing with this course. So we're going to have a whole self-paced video course, sample files to show how this stuff all works in your design environments, in your code environments. But there's going to be a lot of communities along for the ride, right? We're going to be having a lot of discussions with people from the industry, people who are neck deep in creating some of this stuff. We're going to pull in some people who are really smart talking about some of the more macro level issues surrounding this field. And we're also going to have a Slack community for all of us to learn and share together. We've been putting a bunch of stuff in place to make it easy for people to swap links and for us to all share and collaborate and learn together as this stuff unfolds before our very eyes. I hope that this sounds interesting and useful for you and your team as you are figuring out this present moment. And we hope you consider joining us. It's me and Ian and our friend TJ, and we're going to be digging into how you could use AI and design systems together to make great digital products. And if you want to check it out, it's AI and design systems. Thanks a bunch.